the same cover that Gail did in a recent baby journal. I just loved it, and I looked for one, so I wanted to use that one. And here's the spine. See if I can get it open. There we go. So this is set up the same way. It has 6 signatures, and then I just did a cloth spine, and then I added some washi tape to the side there, and then I sewed on to the pattern paper. It does take a lot longer to do that than to split it into 2 signatures. So here's a fabric flip here, and then this is that paper kit that I used. I'll have the link in the description. We did a fabric cluster with a button, and there was a little index card in there. A little fabric cluster, another journaling card, and a paper pad. I kept this one quite plain. You can put a lot of, there's a bag here to put pictures in, and I didn't even put a top thing in there, but there's a pocket inspired by Rock, Paper, Treasures. Little index card with lace on it. There's a big pocket right here. You can store lots of photos in there. And a fabric pocket with a fabric collage. A little snippet collage. There's a little pocket. I had cut-offs, so I just backed them with some paper so they can write on those little notes. Put pictures throughout. This right here flips open. You can put more pictures and journal. A little index card here. Journaling card. That's also a pocket. And then this little wallpaper flip up. Index card. Other side of that pocket. I have a couple journaling cards in there. Did another pocket here, and I added a little journaling card and index card. A little fabric cluster, and a little fabric flip up. I had this trim in there, and I just thought it was really cute. Little fabric cluster, index card. And this is one of those samplers. I just put all the pictures in the windows. And then I made a little tag with a tablet in the back. Take notes. And just a little tag. This little booklet. with different laces at the end. This is an envelope. So you have a tag up here, a little fabric cluster down there, and a little tag right here, a little piece of a journal or an index card, middle of the signature, lots of place to journal. Other side of this envelope, you can journal here. This is an envelope, this is a paper bag. And then more papers. Another fabric flip. So pretty. Washi tape. And this will flip out and have a journaling card on there. And then this is a fabric flip. Just love this fabric. And these ruffles. Another pocket says together. A little bit of washi on that. Another journaling card. And that's the paper I used in this one is Heaven Sent too. I did 2 baby boy journals last year. Or maybe, yeah, it was last year, and I still had, I got a A4 pack paper pad and a 12 by 12 and the journaling cards. I still had the leftovers because I made boy journals, so I had a lot of the, like the papers for girls, like pink papers. So I lucked out and was able to make 2 more journals for these 2 little girls. Get some fabric clusters up there. And that's this journal. So it's a chunky one, but gotta fix that. Get it in there. There we go. So this one will be off to its owner too. I think I might go through and stencil a little bit so the white pages aren't so stark, but other than that, I'm gonna call it finished. I still have a little bit of time where I can do that before I ship this one out. So, anyway, thanks for joining me today for this one, and I will see you when I see you. Later.